Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's choose the battery and power saving, and as you can see here we've got the sleep, so let's tap on it. Now we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 1 minute applied, but in order to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use, for example 10 minutes. Let's tap on it, and as you can see it immediately changes, and from now on this device will sleep after 10 minutes of inactivity. So that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.